HVAC units, wind turbines, control systems, heat exchangers. These and millions of other energy-intensive assets at locations all around the world struggle to reach their full potential. Unconnected, these assets drive up operating costs and waste energy, damaging your bottom line and the environmental impact of your business. In a world urgently moving toward a responsive, resilient future, these unoptimized assets are the next frontier of untapped opportunity for the businesses who operate them. mCloud is on a mission to help businesses unlock this potential. We developed AssetCare, a revolutionary asset performance management platform to get these assets and the workers who manage them connected. AssetCare is not just another dashboard. Every AssetCare solution focuses on taking action, helping your business harness the power of IoT, AI, and the cloud to take the right operations and maintenance actions at the right time to ensure all your assets continuously operate at their fullest potential. The solutions that make up AssetCare are built on technologies created to serve the most demanding performance environments on the planet. Through the use of AI, our connected asset solutions free you from analysis and automatically uncover actions to eliminate waste, plan optimal maintenance schedules, extend lifespans, and instantly cut down on effort and investment. AssetCare Mobile, our connected worker solution, equips workforces in the field to immediately take action, enabling distributed teams to virtually collaborate and solve problems in real time with peers from anywhere in the world on any mobile device. AssetCare offers 3D digital twins that ensure global teams work from a single source of truth, while digitized processes enabled by AssetCare automate and streamline manual tasks like filling out forms and paperwork so your teams can focus on getting important work done. And with AssetCare Enterprise, every aspect of asset performance is visible in a single view, ensuring every part of your business works together seamlessly to take action faster. Every facet of AssetCare works in tandem, driving action, improving performance, creating results. Today, AssetCare connects assets and workers all over the world, doubling their productivity, tripling the speed at which they can respond to the unexpected, and reducing operating costs by up to half. And that's just scratching the surface. This is the future of work. High-performing, connected. It's time we got you connected.